So you're under 18 and you want to get started investing. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to. I will be breaking this video down into 4 main parts, so if you guys do not have to waste any time, you guys can check the chapters right under this video and flip to whatever you want. But I will tell you, if you guys do watch this video in its entirety, that will be greatly supporting the channel right here. So the first step for investing if you're under 18 is choosing the investment service. So you have Robinhood, you have Cashapp, you have Webull, and you have TD Ameritrade. You also have a lot others. Those are just the 4 that I recommend and the ones that are the most popular. I already did an in-depth detail of Cashapp investing and Webull investing and how you guys can get a two free stocks on them. So if you guys do want to check out this video, I will have it right here. But just to get into it, Cashapp's interface for investing is really easy and really simple. Right here, you can see Bitcoin I'm investing in. So it's a very easy and clean design. All you do is slide your finger and you can see the chart. You can see the 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. If you scroll down, you can see buy, sell. And you see your Bitcoin owned. You see the price and the symbol. You can also see the activity. If you switch over to stocks right here, you can see what stocks are invested in. You can see the loss or the gain. You can see the total investments. You can see your investments and the total amount of money invested. So it's very clean on Cashapp right here. Switching over to Webull, it's a bit more complicated on this app, but once you guys get the hang of it, it's very easy to understand. So right here on the homepage, you have your watch list, which you can have any stock, whether you're invested in it or not, on the watch list. It'll basically show you if it's up or down. And then you might have to do Face ID for here. You're going to be showing your net account value, which is how much you invested plus the amount you've earned. So I've invested $2,000, and right now I have $2,183. If you go over here, you can see quick trade, performance, transfer, and more. The main things you got to worry about is performance and quick trade. If we tap on mine and you go to the performance, it shows what stocks or what cryptocurrencies have made you money. So it's really easy to see what you have done and what you've made on this app. If you guys do want your 2 free stocks from joining Webull, click the first link in the description and also check out that video I made if you guys want any more information on that. The other 2 investment services that I've mentioned, Robinhood and TD Ameritrade, are both great. I have used TD Ameritrade, but I have not used Robinhood just because of the recent scandal, but I do recommend both of them. The second step to investing if you're under 18 is creating the account. You are going to need a parent, someone that is 18 or older. It doesn't have to be a parent. It can be a sibling, it could be a cousin, someone that will basically sponsor your account because you are underage in this case. So keep in mind, they will need to verify their identity. You can't just put their name. They're going to need an SSN, a driver's license, a passport, or some other form of ID verification. Once the account is all set up and verified, you guys are going to need to get money in the account. So you're going to need to fund it with either a bank account, a credit or debit card, or some other way. So once you guys get the money in there, that's when you can start to invest it. So some services do not have a minimum deposit fee, but some others do. I know with Webull, you have to deposit $100 for you guys to get the 2 free stocks. It's just a rule you have to get the free stocks. They kind of make it difficult for that. But if you're a serious investor and you don't invest $100, you shouldn't really consider yourself a serious investor in that case. The third step is choosing what you want to invest into. So there's many stocks, there's many types of cryptocurrencies that include. I'll go to Webull right here and go to markets and switch over to cryptos. As you can see, the available cryptocurrencies you can invest in Webull is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. It's funny how they're all down by at least 2%. Bitcoin down 6%. Wow, that's a lot. But those are the 4 you can invest in. Here are some other ones. Normally, they've been doing good, above 25% a month for Bitcoin before this little dip. So these are the 4. They've been doing really good. If you guys do want to choose investing in that, I know on Cashapp you can only invest in Bitcoin out of the 4. Research and see what you want to invest in, or you can go over to United States market and just see what stocks. I'll be showing you guys. I'm invested in basically all of the cryptocurrencies just to teach me what each one's doing. And then I invested in 2 stocks. One of them I sold because it was the free stock I got from Webull, but the second is Deer, which this is the stock I bought 1 share for like $346. I got $32 within like a month's range. So see and research which stocks to invest in. Don't just, if it's going up for one day, don't invest in that because it's not guaranteed. But do your research, find people you trust, and watch stocks for a short period of time, and then know what to invest in. And I promise you guys, your performance will go up. The 4th step is managing your investment account. This includes seeing your profit and losses and your daily and monthly earnings. We can see here over at Webull that I've got $168.25 within the matter of a month minus 1 day. So Bitcoin has earned me $79, Ethereum 57, almost 58, and Deer $32. So Deer is basically, if I have not mentioned, it's a stock about trailers. So springtime is coming up and the summer is coming up. So the trailer sales for farming should go up. So that's why I invested in it. I bought 1 stock for $340. And it's doing really well. It should do well as the weather is warm and stays warm. Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin I invested $1 in just to see what it would do, and if I could learn a little bit about it at minus 18 cents and minus 25 cents. Zynga, as I said before, was a free stock I got, so at minus 33 cents before I woke up, so I was able to sell that. So these are the profits and losses. I check these multiple times a day, even though I shouldn't, because these are long-term investments that I'm hoping to make a ton of money off of. Well, not a ton, just a little bit. So these are supposed to be long-term, and I check multiple times a day. I would just check once a day, or not even once. Check every month, so you don't drive yourself crazy about how much money you make, because most likely you're not just going to invest a bunch of money one day and then take it all out the next. Investing normally, unless if you're a day trader, I believe, is a long-term process. So you're not going to make a bunch of money at once. It will happen over a period of time. If you guys did enjoy this video on how you guys can start investing if you're under 18, please make sure you guys give it a like and subscribe. If you guys do have any questions, make sure you guys do comment down below so I can answer them for you. And don't forget, if you guys do want your 2 free stocks from Webull or free $15 from Cashapp, make sure you guys do click the first couple links in the description. I'll see you guys in the next video.